Rohit was playing a very interesting game with his friends. They were playing a game involving numbers. So each of them picked up one number. So the numbers picked were 3, 1, 4, 2. That is, each of them picked up a digit. Now they were supposed to make a number, a 4-digit number, using these 4 digits. And the person who made the highest number, that is the greatest number, would win the game. So let us see what numbers did they make. This boy made 2134. This boy made 3124. This boy made 4321. And this boy made 1234. So who do you think won the game? Well, as you can see, all the numbers have 4 digits. So the number whose thousands digit is the greatest will be the greatest number. For this number, the thousands digit is 2. For this it is 3. For this it is 4. And for this it's 1. So obviously the number with 4 as the thousands digit is the greatest number among these 4. So this boy was the winner in the game. So these were the numbers made by the 4 boys, and since this number had 4 as the thousands digit, this was the greatest number. But if you ever play such a game, how do you ensure that you are the winner? Is writing the biggest number in the thousands digit enough to ensure that you are the winner of the game? Let us see. So we can have many numbers starting with 4. So suppose I have 4 in the thousands digit. What else can I have in the hundreds digit? I can have 1. What else is left? 2 and 3. So I can have a number 4123 with 4 in the thousands digit and 1 in the hundreds digit. Now I can have another number 4132 with 4 in the thousands digit and 1 in the hundreds digit. Next, I can have 4 in the thousands digit and 2 in the hundreds digit. So I can make a number 4231, or I can have a number 4213. Next, I can have a number with 4 in the thousands digit and 3 in the hundreds digit. So the number can be 4312, or it can be 4321. So these are the numbers I can make with 4 as the thousands digit. But there is one number which is the biggest number or the largest number among these numbers. So which number is that? We know that if the thousands digit of the numbers are the same, I need to compare the hundreds digit. These two numbers have 1 as their hundreds digit. These two have 2 and these two have 3. So these numbers will be greater than the other numbers. So now these are the two numbers which we have. Now I know that if the thousands digit and the hundreds digits are the same, I need to compare the tens digit. In these two numbers, this number has tens digit as 2, whereas this number has 1. So this number will be bigger than this number. So 4, 3, 2, 1 is the biggest 4-digit number I can make using the digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the greatest number formed with these 4 digits, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, is 4321. Now if you observe carefully, 4321 is nothing but these digits arranged in descending order. So if you consider each digit to be a number, so number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4, and you arrange them in descending order, you'll get this number, which is the biggest number you can form using these 4 digits. So how can you ensure that you win in such a game? So take the digits and arrange the digits in descending order and you will get the biggest number using those digits. And how do you form the smallest number using those digits? It's exactly the opposite. So arrange the digits in ascending order. So how do I arrange the digits in ascending order? 1 is the smallest, then I have 2, then I have 3, and then I have 4. So these are these 4 digits arranged in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is the smallest number I can form using these 4 digits. You may try out by forming different numbers. Each number will be greater than this number. So this is the smallest number I can frame using these 4 digits. So now let us try and make the greatest 3-digit number using these digits. I have 7, I have 1, and I have 6. What do I need to do? I need to arrange the digits in descending order because it asks me the greatest number. So for greatest, my hundreds digit has to be highest. So which is the highest among these 7? So I write 7 first. Then I have 6. So I write 6. Then I have 1. So I write 1. So 761 is the largest 3-digit number I can frame using these digits. Just note that these numbers are being formed without repeating any digit. So I am not repeating any particular digit. I am writing 7 just once, 6 just once, 1 just once. Now can you try and frame the largest 3-digit number using these digits? So once again, we need to arrange the numbers in descending order. 8, 3 and 9. Which is the highest? 9. Then I have 8. So I write 8. Then I have 3. So I write 3. So 983 is the largest 3-digit number I can frame using these digits. Now I need to form the 4-digit numbers. So first I form the greatest 4-digit number using these. I have 6, 0, 8, 4. Which is the highest digit? 8. So I write 8 first. Then I have 6. So I write 6. Then I have 4. So I write 4 and then 0. So this is the largest 4-digit number I can make using these 4 digits. Then I solve this one. So I see there are 4, 0, 4, 0. So 4 is written twice and 0 is written twice. This means that in my number I need 4 twice and 0 twice. Between 4 and 0, which is larger? 4. So I need to write 4 first. And I have another 4. So I write the other 4. Then I have a 0. I write a 0 and then the other 0. So this is the largest 4-digit number I can frame using these digits. What about this? 5, 1, 8, 6. So 8 first, then 6, then comes 5 and 1 at the end. These are the largest 4-digit numbers we can frame using the given digits. Now we need to make the smallest 3-digit numbers. So how do we make it? I need to arrange the digits in ascending order. So which is the smallest? 1. So I write 1 here. Then I have 6. So I write 6. And then I have 7. So I write 7. So 167 is the smallest 3-digit number we can frame using these. Then I have 8, 3 and 9. So which is the smallest digit? 3. Then I have 8 and then I have 9. So 389 is the smallest 3-digit number I can frame using these digits. Now let us make the smallest 4-digit number using these digits. So let us arrange them in ascending order. 5, 0, 3, 2. So which is the smallest digit? 0. What comes after 0? 2. After 2 we have 3. And after 3 I have 5. So what is my 4-digit number? 0235. But is this a 4-digit number? No. This is a 3-digit number. But I am required to make a 4-digit number. So I cannot have 0 as my first digit, because as soon as I put 0 as my first digit or the thousandth digit, this no longer remains a 4-digit number. It becomes a 3-digit number. So just follow this simple rule. Whenever there is a 0, 0 will never come first. So 0 will never come as the first digit. What do we need to do? Start with the second smallest number and then put 0 and arrange the remaining in ascending order. So whenever you are required to form the smallest number, never put 0 as the first digit. Start with the number which comes after 0 and then put 0 and arrange the remaining numbers. What do we mean by this? Suppose we need to make the smallest 4-digit number from these digits. I have 0, 7, 1 and 3. Which is my smallest digit? 0. But do I write 0 first? No, because then it will become a 3-digit number. So I start with the next digit after 0, which is 1 in this case. So I write 1 and then I arrange the remaining digits in ascending order. So after 1, I have 0, 0, then I have 3 and then I have 7. So 1037 is the smallest 4-digit number I can frame using these 4 digits. Now what about these digits? 0043. So can you try and make the smallest 4-digit number possible with these digits? So once again we see that there are 2 zeros now. So do we write zeros at first? No, we don't, because we need 4-digit numbers, and writing 0 at first will not give us 4-digit numbers. So I start with the next digit, which is 3. So I write a 3 and then I go normally. So then I arrange the remaining digits in ascending order. So the remaining digits are 0, 0 and 4. So I write 0 first. I have another 0 and I have a 4. So 3004 is the smallest 4-digit number I can make using these digits. And now I have 2, 1, 1, 2. So I have 2 twice and 1 twice. So 1 is smaller than 2. So I start with 1 and I have another 1. Then I have 2 and another 2. So 1, 1, 2, 2 is the smallest number I can frame using these digits. That is 1122 is the smallest number that can be made using these digits. So wasn't it interesting framing the largest and the smallest number using 4 digits or 3 digits? So do try out this game with your friends, because now you know the rules and you are sure to emerge as the winner. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback. personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.